Let's just look at Tamil Nadu now. Let's just quickly go through the numbers and then let's go to Sam Daniel. And there again, it appears that as many predicted, it would be the DMK and the Congress, that alliance coming to power. Not perhaps as emphatically as it appeared. The ADMK has done, in fact, reasonably well. They're getting close to 100 seats, which indicates that there wasn't that kind of widespread anger against EPS as many had thought, but it still is going to be finally Stalin, Sam Daniel. So, Sam Daniel, this is going to be a challenge for Stalin, though, because he comes to power at a time when the virus is starting to climb in Tamil Nadu, and so that's going to be the first big challenge for him on his plate.
Absolutely, Vasu. It's going to be a major challenge. We understand they could form the government on Wednesday in a couple of days. That's what some sources say. We come to you from the DMK headquarters, where till now there was celebration. DMK party workers bursting crackers, dancing, and also cheering. And we understand Stalin could come here a little later this evening. But yes, tackling, containing the COVID spread across Tamil Nadu is going to be the major challenge. And a short while ago when we spoke to DMK spokesperson TK Zilangovan, that's what he said. And the party leaders said Stalin has already chalked out a clear plan how to combat this. Remember, all through the election campaign, MK Stalin was targeting the ruling AIADMQ and
in fact,
the
Sam,
central
sorry
government
to cut in.
of what he called mismanaging.
Yeah. Sam, sorry to cut in. There seems to be, in fact, quite a crowd behind you. Maybe if you could just get the camera to show us. Obviously, you maintain a safe distance, but just give us a sense, because contrary to
let me show
the EC saying shouldn't have too many crowds.
That's
we're
right.
seeing
In fact, DMK
bit of a
chief
crowd.
MK Stalin had asked party cadre not to celebrate. In fact, he told party cadre to stay at home and track the developments. But although the party had kept the headquarters locked for a while, once the trend became very clear, the cadre, nothing could stop them. And in fact, they cheer, they dance, they burst crackers. And again, not much of social distancing, not many are wearing masks. Nobody seemed to use the hand sanitizer. It's a clear violation of the COVID norms of the DMK headquarters. And again, it was during the campaign time, Tamil Nadu started witnessing a very high spike from February onwards. And although the health authorities had told the parties to ensure COVID norms are followed, that was thrown into the wind. And over the last few months, Tamil Nadu has been witnessing a very, very high spike. And in terms of the trend, Vasu, it seems the BJP, if the trend continues this way, could make a debut in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, at least around 5 seats it appears. The PMK, which was completely out of the Assembly for a long time, is all set to come back thanks to the 10.5% reservation the ruling AIADMK had given for the one-year community. But the DMK is still hopeful that still there are many rounds to be completed, and by the end of it, they hope they'll be able to touch 180. That's what they are confident about. In fact, one setback for the DMK's General Secretary, former PWD Minister Durai Murugan, is trailing in Katpadi. And also making a debut, actor turned politician Kamal Hassan. Again, he is leading from the Coimbatore South constituency. Khushbu trailing. But the DMK and the AIADMK, at the moment, they're not formally fomenting anything. The BJP is completely happy, although they could not see their major ally, the AIADMK, get a consecutive third term here. As far as their performance is concerned, they say they're quite happy.
Okay.
But we'll have to still wait, as a lot of rounds are still pending.
Still pending before we get an idea of how it's going to play out. Let me just go across to Arvind Gunasekar, who's actually outside, continues to be outside Stalin's house. Arvind, now I can see a little bit of a crowd building up behind you, or is that mostly other journalists?
Vasu, a few minutes back, we did see some of the party workers coming here with crackers, with sweets, and also with the party flag. But the police personnel here, they didn't let them anywhere near this place. They did raise slogans in support of the party. They did raise slogans naming Stalin as the chief minister, but they were dispersed within few minutes. But what is happening inside is very important. Senior leaders from DMK, including the party treasurer and Lok Sabha parliamentary party leader T.R. Balu, and also Lok Sabha MP Kanimoli, and also Dayanidhi Maran, and also Udayanidhi Stalin, all these leaders have already arrived here. They are having a meeting with DMK chief M.K. Stalin. The party is keenly watching, looking at the numbers, though at present the lead is somewhere around 140 seats for the party and the alliance. What they are saying is that they are hoping, as per their own survey, as per their own feedback, they would be getting somewhere around 180 seats, because according to them, hardly 2 to 3 rounds of counting is done as of this moment, has been done as of this moment, and almost 20 more rounds is yet to be counted. So that's one good sign. That's one good news according to the party leaders. Also, what they are worried is about the DMK General Secretary Duraimurugan, who is trailing in the party constituency. That's something that they are not happy. They are still hopeful that he will also pull through it. So coming to the other end, what ADMK is saying is that ADMK is somewhere around 90 seats. They are leading in 90 seats, the alliance. What they are hoping is that in the rounds to come, they will also be crossing 100, 110, 120 seats. That's what ADMK is saying that. But again, both the sides are still keeping very tight. Both the sides are keeping the cards closer. No one has come out. No one has declared victory. We are not seeing much of a celebration, not just here, even at EPS residence. Vasu?
Okay, so somewhat more of a restrained atmosphere there outside Stalin's house. Everyone still watching and keeping a close eye on those leads.